Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a very delicious, moist and decadent one-ball chocolate cake. This recipe, it is so delicious, one of my favorite chocolate cake with a very easy chocolate ganache. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing that we're going to do to make our chocolate cake is to sift all our dry ingredients. The reason I am sifting the dry ingredients is because we're dealing with cocoa powder, and cocoa powder tends to have lumps, and we don't want to bite into a lump of cocoa powder into our cake because that's gonna be unpleasant. So I'm gonna sift my all-purpose flour, my sugar, my unsweetened cocoa powder, and my leavening agents and salt. So I'm using baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Sift it all together, and then I'm gonna take a whisk and gonna mix everything together. So I promised this was gonna be a one-ball chocolate cake. So in the same dry ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and add some egg, oil, vanilla extra, milk, whisk that all together. At first, you're gonna notice it's thick, but just keep mixing because then we're going to go ahead and add some hot water. You're gonna pour your batter into an 8-inch square pan that I lined with parchment paper. You're gonna bake your cake at a 350 degree Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius, and you're gonna bake your cake for 30 minutes. You know your cake is ready when you insert a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. While the cake bakes, what we're gonna do is our delicious, easy chocolate ganache. So in this bowl, I have some dark chocolate and some milk chocolate. And to that, we're gonna go ahead and add some heavy cream. I'm gonna pop it into the microwave and microwave until everything is nice and melted. That will take like a minute and a half. Make sure you don't burn your chocolate. After a minute and a half, I'm gonna take my whisk, I'm gonna whisk everything together and mix until the chocolate is well dissolved. I really love this chocolate ganache because it's not overly sweet, but it's not dark, because I really don't I'm not a big fan of dark chocolate. I really like semi-sweet, so this is just perfect because it's like sweet and dark at the same time. So a trick I did off camera was add a little bit of a pinch of salt, and oh my god, it makes a world of a difference. I don't know what salt had to do with chocolate, but it really works. So I add a little pinch of salt and it tastes much better. I'm just gonna let it sit in the counter until we are ready to use it. So my cake baked for exactly 30 minutes. I inserted a toothpick in the center and it came out clean. So that's how you know it's ready. So I'm gonna leave it in the counter for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna invert it into a cooling rack and I'm gonna let it cool completely. Once your cake is cool completely, you can frost it with your chocolate ganache. Just pour it on top and there you have it. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for one-ball chocolate cake. I'm telling you, it is so delicious. As you can see, it's so easy to make. If you make it, snap a picture, send it to me on Instagram, Facebook, where am I? Snapchat, Twitter. I think I'm everywhere. So the recipe will be written in the description box, and I see you in my next video. Bye.